me being a heterosexual man, every time I had to kiss a man, I had to, for at least 10 minutes, I had to like take a time out and mentally psych myself to do it, you know. But ठीक है, वो एक email आया था कि आपका performance submit कर रहे हैं, and I was like, कर दो, you know, thanks. But I didn't think anything of it, or I did not. मैं तो भूल गया वो देखकर email, you know.
But tell me about it. I know you got a call from your friend. लेकिन क्या हुआ? What was really the day like when you actually hear something as big as that you've been nominated for it?
Well, I was just having a regular morning. I was sitting, I had finished my breakfast, was having coffee, and I got a phone call from my friend Shayoni Gupta, whose show is also nominated. And she was like, Mathur, have you heard the news? And yeah, I was like, what news? You know, these days, most of the news is bad news. मैं डर गया एकदम. So, and then she was like, check your messages. And I looked, and there was this newspaper article. And yeah, so honestly, you would imagine कि जैसे ही मैंने पढ़ा मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई वगैरह, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Immediately my face became like, कैसे? What? This is a joke. How can it be? This is not real. कोई मजाक कर रहा है, झूठ बोल रहा है. You know, the mind refused to believe that something so big can happen with you, you know. And then, of course, I got a call from the team at Amazon and Excel Entertainment, and then it started becoming a little more real, you know. Yeah.
So we had also heard season 2 आने वाला है, but of course, unfortunately, because of the pandemic, बहुत सारी चीजें delay हो गई, and we heard that because of which, you know, your show also got postponed. But now, do you think with the whole Emmy nomination in place, things would change? शायद glare देगा.
I mean, you mean in terms of the pandemic, or
in terms of just like the production, you know, sort of preparation, not only from the place of, you know, I don't know how it was like probably sponsors or just the, you know, excitement from the makers, from the excitement from the whole team to be back on the ground now to do this again. You know?
Yeah, I mean, I think we've spent many months in this very uncertain lockdown space, and I think people are dying to get back to work. That's a fact. But it's also a fact that the danger is still real, you know. So I think everyone just has to be careful, you know. This is just one of those times where safety and caution has to take precedence over everything else, you know. So, but let's see, slowly, of course, we're trying to get back up on our feet, you know. There's just a lot more precaution and logistics to figure out, you know. So it's become that much harder for people to actually take the decision and announce the shoot, because there is so much more to organize just before deciding कि okay, we're shooting on this day, you know. तो ऐसे इतने सारे चीजें थी which earlier we never had to think about, and now we very much do, you know. So let's see. I personally am waiting for मेरे कम से कम 3 project including Made in Heaven season 2 you know, were affected by the lockdown, and I'm just waiting for them to start again. Yeah,
all the best for that. Also, Arjun, I know there were a couple of questions you were not very happy with, which Made in Heaven sort of like prompted journalists to ask you, right? Questions like, कि यार कितना different होता है अगर आप एक gay character play करते हैं, and we could clearly see you were getting irked by them, but rightly so, क्योंकि like you said, कि भाई फर्क ही क्या है सिवाय you know the sexual preference. After that, I'm another person. But I feel like I remember watching that show as an audience, and I remember कि जब जिस बखूबी से एक लव स्टोरी दिखाई जाती है, irrespective of the gender, वो हम लोगों ने कभी भी you know sort of same sex gender में कभी देखा ही नहीं, कि वो लोग प्यार कैसे दिखाते हैं. You know, of course there were intimate scenes and there were sex scenes, but more than that, they were like the moments when the dawn is approaching, and how do two people leave the room? Is there love? Is there longing? Is there whatever? And those are the things which is irrespective of the gender who had been into that act. Kudos to you guys for shooting it the way you do. I
Thank you.
You have to hype yourself up for those scenes, because again, you're a hetero guy, but then at least on those levels, while shooting them, did you have to erase something? And like unlearn certain parts of how a love story should look like, or no?
Not at all. Not at all. I mean, this was not anything that required any thought at all because it was just ke feeling kya hai? Forget the gender, forget everything else. What is the feeling? And I mean, everything we were doing was just authentic to the character's feelings at that time, you know? And that's really the only way to approach it, I think. And that's why it's resonated the way that it has because, I mean, everyone says it's normalized things and, you know, that is, but the only way to do that is to stop trying to put things across in the way that you think is
They should.
correct, you know. Instead, it just has to be treated as humanly and humanely as possible. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's it. There's really not much thought that goes into. Of course, as you said, me being a heterosexual man, every time I had to kiss a man, I had to, for at least 10 minutes, I had to like take a time out and mentally psych myself to do it, you know. But that being said, that's it. As far as performing or feeling the journey is concerned, I felt every bit of that journey because love is love, you know, simple. Yeah.
Let me tell you, Arjun Mathur, this very, very wonderful actor, has actually been nominated for the Best Actor category for a show called Made in Heaven. अब ये कैसा शो है जो Amazon Prime पर पिछले साल रिलीज हुआ था, साल 1.5 साल पहले. हम में से काफ़ी लोगों ने एक्चुअली इसे देखा, लेकिन बाय चांस अगर आप लोग नहीं देख पाए ये शो, I don't think there's a better time to go on your Amazon Prime and show this and see this, because not only is he playing a gay person's character, which is just one of the very mini plots that we're talking about, you know, but the fact that it's been shot brilliantly. Now, Arjun, international Emmys, right? The other Emmys have just ended in September. Usually, uske 2 mahine baad is when the international edition happens, and that's when all the international shows get nominated, for the audience who doesn't know. Were you ever vying for it? Were you ever like, कि मेरा show भी शायद आना चाहिए? Were you ever on the lookout?
I mean, see, for the last 2 years before this, you know, there have been, I think Inside Edge had gone to the international Emmys, and then last year there was Lust Stories and Radhika Apte was nominated. So, and I knew about 6 to 8 months ago that you know, that my performance was being submitted. पर ठीक है, वो एक ईमेल आया था कि आपका परफॉर्मेंस सबमिट कर रहे हैं, and I was like, कर दो, you know, thanks. But I didn't think anything of it, or I did not. मैं तो भूल गया वो देखकर email, you know. And yeah, so this kind of thing I could not have predicted at all. Of course, it's great when it happens, you know, because like I said, it's been a long journey, and you know, after all this time, like when you get internationally validated like this on this level, it's a whole new feeling, you know. It's like all of that self-doubt and insecurity and all those things jo actor it goes hand in hand with an actor, you know, all these negative feelings of envy, अरे उसके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा है, and then, you know, all that kind of stuff. But you have to just keep that stuff at bay, and ऐसा कुछ जब होता है आपको लगता है कि यार wow, तो मतलब कि it was all worth it, you know. All of it, the good, the bad.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who are actually complimenting a lot of your work, but I'm very, very surprised that there's somebody who actually said, being curious, said, Arjun loved your work in Fireflies. This has to be a real fan if they sort of Fireflies.
Yeah, wow, thanks. Thank you, Being Curious. I love that film. It's one of the most special films to my heart, because I'll tell you why. Because I was going through a very difficult time in my life उस टाइम जब वो फिल्म आई मेरे पास. मैंने इनफैक्ट पहले डायरेक्टर को बोला कि मैं अभी काम करने के स्पेस में नहीं हूँ, आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट, एंड बट ही वेटेड फॉर मी, एंड आई डिड द फिल्म. और उस फिल्म में जो द थिंग्स दैट फिल्म वाज अबाउट एंड द जर्नी दैट माय कैरेक्टर हैड टू टेक, दैट हेल्प मी इन माय रियल लाइफ, यू नो, टू कंप्लीटली व्हाटएवर आई वाज फीलिंग एट द टाइम, वो सब फीलिंग्स मैंने उठाकर उस फिल्म में डाल दी. And for me, it was a really cathartic experience. It was fantastic, you know. And I think people who watch the film really connect on that. Either they get really bored, or they connect to it on that very intimate kind of level, you know.
Yeah. So, a lot of people are asking कि भाई कब आ रहा है? Emmys would be actually announced on November 23rd. That's when we.
That's
but
right.
feel we're already as victorious as we could be. We're already on the international stage. We're there with everybody. So that's already. A lot of people are asking when is season 2 coming? Do you have a date? I'm sure you already said.
I don't have a date, unfortunately. You know, we were going to be shooting in May. May में हम shoot कर रहे होते if this lockdown hadn't happened. तो अब तो खैर, yeah, I unfortunately don't know. I know they're trying to pick it up again, but officially तो या तो Amazon या Excel ही announce करेंगे.
Right.
Yeah.
That's your question. Asking that while I have a question of my own. Arjun, I was binging on your show before the lockdown started. Is there a show that you are binging on?
This very moment, I am watching season 2 of a show on Amazon Prime called The Boys. वो season 1 मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा था, तो I'm watching season 2 now. But yeah, through this lockdown, I've binged so much. I can't even tell you. From old stuff to like
new stuff.
I mean, like, yeah, I even watched Game of Thrones, all the seasons for the first time in this lockdown.
Aren't you happy going to that?
Yeah, not with the last 2 seasons, but yes.
Awesome. So, I feel like we've gotten everything we could have asked you. And is there anything that you want to tell people about your plans, about something that we should be on the lookout for you?
Just wish me luck, guys. I don't know. I guess winning is not too much of a thought to me because this nomination is a huge thing. But ठीक है, never know. Maybe your luck might take me there as well. And definitely for people who have not watch my older work, please do. A lot of it is there on Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, इधर-उधर मिल जाएगा. तो देखिए मेरी फिल्मोग्राफी, देखिए मेरा पुराना छोटा-छोटा काम देखिए, because मैंने उतना ही दिल अपने सब प्रोजेक्ट्स में डाला है जितना मेड इन हेवन में डाला.
Right, guys, Arjun Mathur for you. Please follow his Instagram page, and we hope that you can sort of take us back. I did a lot of research. I know about a lot of stuff that you've done, and I missed out on, which I would be catching up on. Please put that out for our viewers also, so that we can follow you. We can also see what we missed out on. This is me, Gunjan. That's Arjun Mathur, who is creating some huge buzz in international waters. Couldn't have been prouder, couldn't have been happier doing this. Thank you so much, Arjun, for coming here.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Gunjan. Thank you for having me, Instant Bollywood. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Bye, guys.